Namaste. In this video I'm going to show you how you can prepare roses for any decoration by using satin ribbon. So welcome to my channel Creativity of Gayatri. Before going to start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of my video. So let's get started. Here I have taken 2 inches this paper, and the edges of this ribbon I am going to run it so that it will be like this thread will not come out. So let's start to prepare the rose. You can see the steps which I am going to do it, and this is very slowly I am doing so that you will get to know how you can prepare it. It should be easy for everyone. So here whatever the size you required for roses, that much you need to fold it so that you can prepare the petals after cutting this ribbon from both sides. So if the petals will be more, then the rose size will be more. So according to that you can prepare this one. Fold the way how I am doing it here. The same way you need to fold it and burn it and press it so that it will be stiff and your shape will come for the petals. After that, from back sides you need to join one by one, and here you need to use this Fevikwik gel so that it will be stick immediately within with the one drop. But other glue, I don't think so it will be stick so fast. Otherwise you can take this hot glue gun also, you can use to prepare this one, but I don't have right now, so I'm using this glue. And you should be very careful while pasting it, because it's stick to the fingers also. Apply the glue all over this ribbon after joint it, and you need to roll it to make a like rose shape. So this rose is almost prepared, you can see it. So that's all for the video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like, then please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned till then. Bye bye.